Welcome to PSSR Model Exit Exam Questions. Who is responsible to pay the fine occurred on a ship when a ship crew members caught abusing drugs? The correct answer is the crew member. Incineration of dash is prohibited. Sludge, waste oil rags is allowed on board to incinerate. Option 4. PVC and plastic is not to be incinerated on board. The correct answer is option 4. Damage suffered by a passenger in a passenger vessel is covered under Athens Convention. When 25% of the crew members are changed, drill should be conducted within 24 hours. The effect of drugs and alcohol abuse on board will affect the individual performance, retention of the vessel, criminal proceedings. The correct answer is option 4, all of the above. Seafarers' duties and responsibilities in an emergency. Know the emergency signal and the report to muster station is the correct answer. Seafarer job on ships are to identify potential areas of emergency, to observe safe working practice to eliminate personal injuries, to have safe atmosphere and good social relationship among shipmates. Answer is option 4, all of the above. As per MLC, contract for seafarers while joining ship is independent written agreement signed by both parties in binding, that is the collective bargaining agreement, CB agreement. A seafarer has the right to acquire a correct contract as per flag state approved form, proper accommodation as specified as per ILO or MLC, report inconvenience on board vessels to higher authorities. The correct answer is all of the above. Crew competence means a well trained person with the proper certification is the correct answer. Hazardous of working afloat is fall from height and fall of tools from height causing injury is the right answer. Option 3, both 1 and 2 are correct. What type of warning signs to be placed on the manhole into a void space? A void space is the coffer dam where lack of oxygen will be there. So, the correct answer is option 3, warning sign that indicate lack of oxygen inside. Marpol 7378 Annex 2 regulations for the control of pollution deals with noxious liquid substance in bulk. What is the parent organization of ISM? SOLAS chapter 9 is the parent organization of ISM. Under which code ship security alert system comes? It comes under ISPS where it is a SOLAS chapter 11.2. Disadvantages of the written communication, where for the written communication preparing for the material, that is preparation of written document is a time consuming one is the correct answer. Which sea area is marked as a special area for pollution? Among 4 options, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, North Sea is the special area. A record for maintaining garbage on board is known as garbage record book. Option 4, garbage record book is the correct answer. Or activities that require permit to work is hot work, enclosed space permit, cold work. All of the above is the correct answers. MLC entered in the force 20th August 2013 is the correct answer. Duties of crew on board vessel include ensure own health and safety, use of PPE, safe working practice. Option is correct answer is all of the above. After activating the EPIRB, you should leave it continuously. After launch, a totally enclosed lifeboat which has been float over a long period of time requires regular checks and pumping out of the bilge levels is the correct answer. How many VHF survival craft transceivers are required on board passenger ships? The correct answer is 3. While firing LTA, that is line throwing apparatus, to be held at 45 degrees horizontals, and also in the LTA it is a solid propellant fuel. Life jacket should be marked with vessel's name. What is the LSA signal at day when you see assistance will be given? Orange smoke signal will be the correct answer. When the receiver misunderstands receiver's message, and this could be a barrier to effective communication. Human element on the vessel means human behavior. While entering into a enclosed space, checks has to be done by both 1 and 2, that is the person entering the space and by the responsible person or the safety officer. In an enclosed space, continuous working required 21% of oxygen continuously. General emergencies on board could be fire and explosion, flooding, main engine failure. Answer is option 4, all of the above. Action to be a person who noticed the fire in any part of the ship is to sound the fire alarm using the fire alarm switch which is nearby. 34. At sea, if anyone fell on board, that is man or board, but not sure which side he has fallen down, in this time you have to stop the ship immediately and throw the life buoy over the sides. Which one of the following organs of the IMO consists of all member states? The correct answer is Council. A record of book or the oil transfers the engine room tanks. The correct answer is oil record book. Disposal of expired medicines, chemicals, pyrotechnics by incineration? No, not allowed. By throwing overboard? Never. By storing in a separate place in the garbage area? By landing ashore is the correct answer. Dumping of waste at sea is controlled by which convention? Controlled by the London Convention. Safety committee meeting is held on board every month. What is the danger while working in sharp tools? As the question relates with sharp tools, the cut is the correct answer. What is the most likely causes of the particle in eye? Is the flying dust. What is the most likely cause of the suffocation? Suffocation means breathing trouble, which leads to lack of oxygen is the correct answer. What kind of safety signs needs to be in the place connection with work in the radar mast? A fixed side on the mast on the each radar work in progress of the mast is the correct answer. Smoking is allowed in galley only. No, it's false. What method shall be used when hauling a surveyor out at sea? Say the state of surveyor is critical. By using the net is the wise answer. What are the different levels of management on board? Support, operational and management is the correct answer. Eye protection is required for which of the following hazard? Chemical handling, chemical glass, flying particles. All of the above is the correct answer. Welding shield primarily protect against metal splatters is the correct answer. Hearing protection is required when you are exposed to a noise level of 85 decibels or higher for a time period of 8 hours. As per noise code, it is correct. The person who is responsible for ensuring that the required drill are carried out is the master and the designated person. What is the appropriate time for using distress flare and rocket? Only any SAR or any ship is there for rescue, that time only we are to taking the attention we should use this. What is the ship's contingency plan? It is the plan for the safety preparedness. Thank you. All the best.